Okay.
Looking for a lightweight, waterproof boot for everyday outdoor use? These are the High Sea Men's Chelsea Rain Boots, perfect for fishing, yard work, washing the truck, or just dealing with wet conditions around the house. One thing I noticed right away is how lightweight these boots are. They slide on easily, fit snug around the ankle, and are comfortable enough to wear for long periods without feeling heavy. These boots are built for wet conditions, great for fishing trips, cleaning the boat, yard work, gardening, or walking the dog after the rain. The non slip sole gives solid traction on wet surfaces. If you need a dependable waterproof boot that's lightweight, comfortable, and easy to wear every day, the High Sea Chelsea rain boots are definitely worth checking out. Some of the highlights of these boots are a comfortable fit, lightweight feel, flexible design, and easy on and off.